4th of July. We have a homemade sparkler bomb. Hope you can see it there. It's a PVC inside, taped up. How many sparklers do you think?
It's 97.
97 sparklers. So we're gonna put it inside the bucket, under the bucket. We feel like that minimizes shrapnel to a certain extent, and we're gonna give it a go. So, see what happens. So there you go. It's a little mushy out here, but it's been raining a lot. There's the fragments of the bucket, what's left, and here's the crater that it left. Yeah, not too bad.
God.
And here's the inside portion. So that's how you do it, folks. The blast radius is probably, what would you say that is? 50, 60 feet. So hope you enjoyed the show. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We occasionally blow up a sparkler or two, but open baseball cards, things like that. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment.